Okay, sir, last year आपने college join किया था. Will not name the college, which is again a very good college. Uh, and then you thought of planning to do for exam next year. So two part of here. What came to the mind कि आपने join किया, एक साल continue किया, then you went for the exam next year. Number two, when you started your preparation. There, are you getting me? Two question. So this is advice to all the students who will be joining a particular B school, then trying again. या सो ऐसा करना चाहिए. तो सर आपके सामने एग्जांपल है कि यस यू कैन डू दैट. सो हाउ यू विल हैंडल एंड प्लस व्हेन यू स्टार्टेड योर प्रिपरेशन फॉर नेक्स्ट ईयर कैट.
Yes. So yeah, so joining a B school and be joining a B school, which is one of the top five ranks, is another feeling itself. But now, since like my graduation, I've done my graduation from VJTI, so I had an habit of getting into premier institutes from the initial stages. And what happens is, even if you are getting into a B school, but if you see number one, it's another feeling itself, because out here you have professors which are extremely good. All these are industry stalwarts, and you do not have that much exposure which another college gives. Because I knew about the alumnus about this college, and I knew ki I will not get this type of coaching, or coaching as in lecture series, or the knowledge which these stalwarts give. I will not get it anywhere else. So I thought it just give it a shot, because I already have a dream. I had a dream. I've been trying for CET since 2018, and 2018 I couldn't clear, 19 I couldn't clear. That's why I got into a B school, and then I thought that there's a very less chance of getting into this college, so there's not. It's like bit difficult for getting converted. The conversion rate is very difficult. So just give it a shot. Get into the B school, and then try hard working hard for this college. And yeah, so it was just a give a shot and working hard. Obviously I worked hard for this institute, but it was like the alumnus and the exposure and the placements just attract you a lot out here. And you are never and you, as you said, human need. It is humans are never satisfied. So if you see from the placements perspective, then this college has a well known placement report itself. So that was the reason I started preparing for CET once again. And coming on to the second question is, when I started preparing after my in Jan 24th. Like thoroughly, I started preparing from Jan 24th. And yeah, that was the time when I started giving mocks regularly. Every day I made a point that I give my mocks, because I had a lecture in the morning, and so I had to give mocks in the evening itself. Evening by evening, it's like from 9 to 11:30, or from 10 to 12:30. So that was the time I made a point that I'll dedicate 4 to 5 hours every day now, because as it is, there were only hardly 45 to 50 days left, and I had not started intensive preparation itself. So that was yeah, that answers the second question.
So how you used to handle your college assignments project, because MBA is थोड़ा busy part and your CET का preparation. Because so for those who are going for the exam, those who are joining this current time next year CAT, अगले साल CAT देंगे, CET देंगे. So how you used to handle both the things?
So see, there are two things which you are when you are simultaneously handling two things, you need to prioritize first. And my priority itself was from Jan 24th, it was CET. So when I used to go to college, I made a point that I'm solving assignments then and there. Oh, and I had my like we were having some free lectures in between. So I made sure that I'm whatever I'm doing, I'm completing my assignments out there only. And if at all there were a lot of assignments and tests going on, I studied for a half an hour, or for an hour after coming to my house. Otherwise I used to read in train. Like I used to prepare for my section for my tests, the college tests in the train itself. So train ka 45 minutes ka journey two times, while going to my house and while going to the college next morning. So that's how I started preparing for my tests. And regarding assignment, I used to like refer to the assignments of my friends and then get it done, because my CET was a major priority out there. So I was not compromising at all. After 10, like I made a point that after 9 p.m. I'm not going any time to to another B school which I have in hand. It was like only CET and 100% concentration for that paper itself.
Superb, exactly, exactly.
It's
यार
like
तुम्हारा सीधी सी बात है यार, आप जिस कॉलेज में ज्वाइन किए थे वहाँ पे एवरेज सैलरी इज 10. लेट्स से
yes,
यू आर गुड, यू गेट 11 12. बट जेबी में योर एवरेज इज डबल ऑफ दैट यार, 24 सीधा 1 साल का हार्डवर्क, 1 साल भी नहीं करना। फॉर दोज हु गोइंग टू रिपीट द एग्जाम, तुम ऑलरेडी एक्स पे हो, आपका 95 परसेंटाइल, 99 परसेंटाइल, इवन 90 परसेंटाइल भी आया लास्ट ईयर, तुम्हें 90 से 100 पे लेके जाना यार। तो यू डोंट नीड टू स्पेंड फुल 1 ईयर, आप 2-3 महीना पढ़ोगे तो भी हो जाएगा। ठीक है, अभी
Yes.
एक दो लोगों ने कमेंट किया 2 मंथ पढ़ के जेबी हो गया। भाई लास्ट ईयर भी दिया था ना, लास्ट ईयर भी काफी कुछ किया हुआ था। तो ही जस्ट हैव टू पुट द फाइनल एफर्ट्स। सो दोज इज ओके टू रिपीट, दैट्स व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से, इट्स ओके। हमें क्या लगता है कि अरे नहीं यार दोबारा कौन करेगा, तो वो प्रॉब्लम भी आती है कभी कभी ना। यू फाइंड अ गर्लफ्रेंड द कॉलेज, तो गर्लफ्रेंड है तुम्हारे दोस्त, अरे यार क्या जाएगा तू जेबी, हो करते ना साथ में। इधर का हाईएस्ट 18 है, तो भाई यहाँ पे हाईएस्ट एक को 18 लगेगा यार, चलो 10 को उतना पैकेज लगेगा, उधर हर एक को उतना मिलेगा। So there are a lot of ifs and buts. So obviously it's a risk you have to take. You are sacrificing on your 1 year का enjoyment also, कि कॉलेज में जाके दे द enjoyment, तुम्हारे दोस्त लोग हैं। एंड जैन फेब इज द टाइम व्हेन एवरीबडी गोज टू गोवा। हर कॉलेज में तुम जेबी से लेकर एंड तक दे गो टू प्लान टू गो टू गोवा, गोवा इन जनवरी। दिसंबर में वी कांट अफोर्ड ऑब्वियसली एज अ स्टूडेंट, बट जनवरी फरवरी में गोवा जाते जाते हैं। एंड दैट टाइम यू आर सेक्रीफाइसिंग ऑल दोज थिंग्स फॉर स्टडीज एंड विच पेड ऑफ। ठीक है। अब
Exactly.
काफी लोग ऐसे भी होंगे हु ट्राइड बट कुड नॉट कन्वर्ट। हमारा काम है ट्राई करना, कल को हो ना हो वो देन गॉड के हाथ में है।
Exactly. That was my point. When I start joined a B school, I just made a point that I'll give it a shot. If it happens, then it is good. Otherwise, it doesn't happen. I already have a college in hand, so that's not a issue for me. I'll get a placement. But yeah, if human need ज़्यादा के लिए ही जाना रहता है, तो yeah, just give it a shot. If you want something like if you want 22 and if you're getting 10, you'll have to obviously slog. And if you're not ready to slog, then you'll have a different trajectory itself. The growth you get from this college is completely different from the growth you'll get from another B school intern. So you'll have to decide on your priorities. Is enjoying for a year important or enjoying for a life important out here?
Superb, superb.